Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Two poles of height 27 meters and 43 meters stand vertically on a plain ground. If the distance between their feet is 30 meters, then the distance between their tops is what? We have to find out. So let's say these two are the poles AB and CD. And this is the distance between their height and this is the distance between their bottom. So this BD distance is given as 30 meter and this CD is given as 43 meter and AB is given as 27 meter. This is the height of another pole. Now we have to find AC distance. So let's say we draw a perpendicular here and this point is E. So we know that CE can be written as CD minus DE and DE is nothing but AB. So from figure we can say that the CE distance is CD minus ED and ED is nothing but AB. So we can write CD minus AB. So CE here is 43 minus 27 which is equal to 16 and unit is meter. So CE we know. And also the distance AE is equal to BD, so it is given as 30 meter. Now in triangle AEC, we can see in right triangle, you can say in right triangle AEC, hypotenuse square AC square is equal to AE square, the base square plus the perpendicular square CE square. So AC is, let us substitute the value of AE and CE, that is 30 and 16 respectively. So if we simplify, it is 1156 and under root of 1156 is 34 and the unit is meter. So AC is nothing but the distance between their tops and this is what we have to find in this question. So distance between their tops is 34 meters. So this is the answer.